So don't be surprised to see me in this hat. I spent a lot of time in the hospital last year and I lost my hair. It's coming back, but it's not where I want to show it yet. So anyway, we're talking about Tesla's 7 upcoming products that could raise that stock price to crazy highs. So there's 7 products I'm super excited about, and let's talk about it. Today we're talking about Tesla's upcoming products. Actually, it's 7 products that are entering the market within the next 2 years, which could raise Tesla's stock price, our investment, to amazing highs. If you stay a little bit longer, we'll also talk about the news that happened within the last week or so. Welcome to my channel where I give you the latest Tesla news. So while most of the media outlets are trying to tell us that Tesla is a lost cause for many reasons, including Elon Musk's involvement with the Trump administration, we have to remember that the media never really liked Elon or Tesla much. When you go back, Tesla was never their favorite right from the beginning. Well, for one, Tesla does not advertise, and that's what the media needs to in order to sustain itself. And this might be the reason why companies like Ford, GM, and Toyota are being praised. Now, we also have to remember that the people we see on the screen are actors that are actually following a script. I'm very excited about Tesla's future, not only because Ray Dalio's hedge fund, Bridgewater Associates, invested into Tesla recently. It says a lot, but also Tesla's 7 exciting products being launched into the market within the next 2 years. But first, this is what happened with Ray Dalio and his purchase of Tesla stock. MarketWatch hedge fund Bridgewater Associates placed a new bet on the EV maker Tesla Inc. late last year. The latest 13F filing from Bridgewater shows the firm added a $62 million position in Tesla in the fourth quarter. Tesla saw a strong post-election rally due to CEO Elon Musk's close relationship to President Donald Trump, which is good for artificial intelligence development. With Tesla, there is no way knowing when the hedge fund could have stepped into buying shares, which took off after the US elections in November. Large investors must disclose long positions in 13F filings within 45 days of the end of a quarter. The filings are closely tracked by investors who also follow the reports for bigger investment trends, though the information is already dated by the time the market sees it. The products we're talking about here are either already in place or are going to be in place within the next 2 years. Some might not be as exciting as others, but I'll use timestamps so you're not being held prisoner. Talking about Tesla's products, we'll start with the ones we don't hear much about, like Tesla Solar. Tesla is already branching out in the US and China with amazing prices, but now Tesla has signed a solar energy supply contract with a renewables provider in Spain, set to provide Tesla with energy from across 3 solar sites. On Friday, global renewables provider Celestra announced in a press release that it signed a power purchase agreement PPA with Tesla to supply the company with around 130 gigawatt hours of renewable energy per year in Spain. The PPA details a long-term 57 MWAC project with supply coming from 3 solar plants constructed in Torres, Spain. The contract follows many projects involving Tesla's grid-scale Megapack and Powerwall home-scale batteries, the first of its kind as a solar supply deal. However, Tesla has been working with providers Optimus Energy to deliver the Powerwall to homes across Spain and United Kingdom in an effort to create a distributed virtual power plant or VPP program in the country. Now listen to this. Tesla's energy business is projected to continue to grow. Tesla storage deployments more than double to 31.4 gigawatt hours in 2024. The segment's profit margin grew to 26.2% in 2024, up from 18.9% in 2023. The energy sector is expected to grow in the future. And if you think about it, people are switching to sustainable sources not only for the environment, but also for cost reduction. With the rise of artificial intelligence and high demands on computer power, there is a need to protect the population from power outages. Tesla entered the lithium business in May of 2023. The plan is to produce their own lithium for their own batteries. Location is Corpus Christi and Texas. Once completed, the facility will represent an investment of over $1 billion in Southwest Texas. However, lithium prices declined in 2023 and continued on a downtrend in 2024. According to Goldman Sachs research, EV batteries costs are at record lows and are forecasted to fall by 40% in 2025. In the spring of 2024, Musk invited Argentine President Javier Milei to the Tesla factory in Austin, Texas, where the two reportedly discussed the investment opportunities in Argentina's lithium sector. But Tesla already has deals with multiple lithium suppliers, some that are already producers and some that are juniors developing lithium projects. However, with tariff increases, lithium supply from outside the US could skyrocket, and Tesla will have to produce their own lithium, which could be ready to do so within the next 2 years. Tesla is selling parts for their vehicles, special crossbars for the Cybertruck protection lights, Cybertruck mold panels, floor mats. Tesla offers a cooler for the Cybertruck, pretty futuristic, and a ton more. And of course, for all other models as well. And remember, Tesla sells wraps for the vehicles as well. Of course, we can't forget the wall connectors and charging ports. And of course, tools for Tesla's factories. All of these might sound small, but can help with revenue. Tesla's factories use a variety of tools, including robots, presses, and other equipment to assemble vehicles, install batteries, and perform other tasks. The KUKA robots are being used for tasks like assembly of car bodies and installing batteries. Tesla's Fanuc robots are being used for welding and painting and assembly. The Schuler hydraulic stamping press line is the largest in North America. This press uses up to 11,000 tons of force to form body panels. The Hydra Gigapress is used to stamp out single-piece rear castings for the Model Y. This is helping Tesla to reduce prices for the vehicles and increase revenue. Other equipment would be the planking machine to flatten and cut aluminum coils into sheets. Additional cutting is being done by laser cutters. Test probes are being used in high voltage. HV cables are working in high voltage systems. Tesla also uses AI and automation to improve efficiency and precision. Now, Tesla usually buys these robots and equipment and fine-tunes them to their own liking. Tesla's website says with 60,000 plus superchargers, Tesla owns and operates the largest global fast charging network in the world, located on major roads near convenient amenities. Superchargers keep you charged when you're away from home. Tesla has introduced a supercharging network to many locations throughout the US and other countries. To use a supercharger, simply plug it in and charge automatically. With the Tesla application, you can view supercharging stall availability, monitor your charge status, or get notified when you're already done. Now, superchargers can add up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. And according to various analysts, Tesla's supercharging network could generate between $7 billion and $10 billion by 2027, with some estimates reaching as high as $20 billion by 2030. Of course, the most revenue Tesla makes is from their cars, from their electric cars. But that could change in the future, and we'll talk about it in a little bit. In 2024, Tesla's automotive segment generated about $72.5 billion in revenue. This segment includes the design, manufacturing, and sales of EVs. In 2024, Tesla sold 372,613 Model Y vehicles in the United States. This made the Model Y the best-selling electric vehicle in the United States, though sales were down from 2023. The Model Y was the best-selling vehicle overall, not just EV. Now, the Model Y was the best-selling vehicle worldwide in 2024, selling over 1.09 million units. The sales share of the electric vehicle market was 28.6% for the Model Y. Tesla sold 189,903 Model 3 vehicles in 2024. The Cybertruck was the best-selling electric pickup truck in 2024. Therefore, other models Tesla sold in 2024 were 85,133. Tesla is in the process of a model refresh at the moment, starting with the Model 3 and Model Y, and others will follow. Also, Grok will be incorporated in Tesla cars. The Cybercab or RoboTaxi, one of my favorites. High expectations for the Tesla ride-hailing opportunity starting this year with their existing fleet. However, Tesla is planning to deploy its brand new Cybercabs that were featured in Tesla's V-Robot event in October of 2024. Elon Musk unveiled 20 Cybercabs at the event in Burbank. The Cybercab is a battery-powered self-driving two-passenger car that Tesla is developing. It is also known as the RoboTaxi. The Cybercab is a more compact version of the Cybertruck. Also, at the event, Elon Musk announced a 20-passenger robo-van. Musk said the Cybercab could cost around $30,000 and would be available to the public before 2027. However, we're being told that this is coming much sooner. Now, listen to this. Tesla is planning to include wireless charging just like you charge your iPhone. Tesla is planning its ride-sharing business this year in Texas and California, followed by other states. Some analysts say that the Tesla Cybercab ride-hailing network could generate trillions in revenue by 2027. The Tesla robot business is closer than you think, Barron's.com. Tesla is using artificial intelligence to build self-driving cars and humanoid robots, but now Wall Street assumes the car will arrive before the bots. That might not be right. At the Las Vegas Consumer Electronics Show, Elon Musk said, "I don't want to blow your mind, but AI is going to be big." Anyway, for Tesla and Tesla investors, AI means self-driving cars and humanoid robots. These days, FSD and RoboTaxis are the AI products Tesla's analysts and investors are most excited about. But Musk might be more excited about AI training robots, though. Now, eventually, he sees the robot of human ratio 3 or 4 to 1. That is tens of billions of robots. But, of course, this also includes robots in factories. Tesla is planning to produce thousands of robots in 2025, multiply that by 10 times in 2026, and by 10 times in 2027, according to Musk. That implies that by 2027, robot production of some 500,000 units. Imagine the revenue from that. On Friday, last week, Uber CEO hinted at the potential of a partnership with Tesla for their RoboTaxi business. He said, "No one wants to compete against Tesla or Elon Musk." On Wednesday this week, Elon Musk announced that xAI is set to unveil the latest edition of its AI chatbot, Grok 3, in a live demo. Here's what to expect. Tesla integration AI on wheels. One of the most anticipated features of Grok 3, its deep integration with Tesla vehicles. Last month, Musk confirmed that Grok will soon be integrated into Tesla cars, allowing voice command interaction. Elon Musk said that Grok 3 should be the most powerful AI upon its release. Also, on Wednesday, billionaire Stanley Druckenmiller dumps Broadcom bets big on Tesla. So this is what happened. According to the recent SEC filing, Druckenmiller, a seasoned investor, sold all of his shares of Broadcom, and now added Tesla to his portfolio. Tesla starts mass production of its Model Y in Shanghai. The new Model Y was unveiled by Tesla in China back in January. Market chatter. Tesla chooses first India showroom sites in New Delhi and Mumbai. Tesla has chosen locations in New Delhi and Mumbai for its planned market entry in India. And Benchmark initiates coverage of Tesla with a buy rating and a price target of $475. So, of course, there was also talk about that Elon Musk might get his pay package. And they're changing a little bit of the laws around at Delaware because they don't want more companies to leave Delaware. Anyway, when it comes to that, we'll make a new episode about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below which products are your favorite that Tesla is bringing in within the next 2 years. And see you in the next video, hopefully in this one. So thank you so much. My name is Claudia and goodbye.